Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Acres Lawn Care here. So today we've got this ivy on this fence to take off. It's just been growing like mad and it's just time for it to go. And we've also got over the other side of the garden some more ivy here, guys. So we're going to peel all this off and get rid of it. It doesn't do any good for the fence really. And so as you can see here, there's none along here, but it's been growing up here. So we're going to get rid of that today. And don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. If you like this content, that'd be awesome. Cool, we'll catch up in a bit. Forgot to press film the first time. Okay guys, so as you can see, we've done that part now. We've got the other fence on the other side of the garden to do. I can't dig the ivy out. It grows on the other side of the garden, where it grows right underneath the fence really, so there's no room for me to get a spade down there, so I won't be able to dig it out. But all we'll have to do now is just keep an eye on it and stop it from creeping up. We tried to pull it off on the other side as much as we can as well, so let's hope it doesn't grow too quickly. Hey guys, so there we go. We've stripped the ivy off that. It was quite fun, to be honest. Come off in a nice big strip. So what do you guys prefer, ivy or no ivy? Let us know in the comments. That side there, guys, is all done. So I can't help the ivy's growing up through between the concrete and the fence, so it's a little bit difficult to dig it out. So I know it will come back, but you know, for now it just neatens up the fence, and hopefully maybe we'll give this a paint at some point just to sort of lift it a little better. But thanks a lot for watching, guys, and if you like these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. It'd be awesome, and we'll see you in the next video, guys. Thanks very much.